Okay, this is just going to be a quick video for a DIY toddler Valentine's basket. My daughter is 1 year old. A lot of baskets just don't gear towards toddlers. They always have candy that they can't eat or toys that they can't play with that aren't safe for them. And so I decided to just make her my own. So I'll just go through and tell you where everything came from, and then I'll just show you what it looks like put together. I got this basket from the Dollar Tree. It was just $1. They have different ones, and they have Valentine's ones as well, but she can use this basket afterwards for like her hair products, like her scrunchies and stuff like that. So I wanted something to be useful but also cute, so it's pink for Valentine's Day. Then I guess I'll just go to her bear. I got this little bear from Dollar Tree as well. They have animals. I'll also get her the dog. But she kept throwing the dog like out the basket, so I just didn't get it because I'm like, she don't want it. So I didn't get that. I also got her this little Lego sippy cup. This cup, or cup, not sippy cup, this Lego cup from the Dollar Tree as well. And it's like just a Lego. They have these other ones as well that come with a straw. But she has a lot of cups like that, but she doesn't have a Lego cup. So I got her this one, but they have tons of different cups to pick from. And then also, you know, she can practice drinking out of the straw. So then next is just the confetti to fill the basket. This came from the Dollar Tree as well. Then I'll go over here. I got her some bubbles. They came from the Dollar Tree. This cute little Crayola bath bomb, and it's pink. It's strawberry. Yeah, strawberry. And it came from the Dollar Tree as well. Just be careful with the scents, you know, with their skin, but I think she'll be fine. And then next I just got her these little shades. These shades are from the Dollar Tree as well. She has some Minnie Mouse ones that I got from Target like this, and she lost them. So I figured I'll just get these. Next are these books. These books came from Dollar Tree as well. They're just Sesame Street books. She has a lot of books. She can't never have enough books. So I got her these 2 books from the Dollar Tree. Then staying on the Dollar Tree, I got her these little bathtub finger paint soap. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. She can play with these in the tub. I know they're going to be super messy, but, you know, they can learn their colors this way, and then, like, mixing the colors, see what color the water turns, and just something to keep them busy in the shower or in the tub. So I got her 3. They had a red one as well, but I didn't get the red one. I was thinking the red might be too hard to get out of stuff, but then again, they all might be too hard to clean. I don't know. I haven't tried them, so it's something to try. They were $1 each. Alright, then we'll go up here. Next, I just got her this little silverware set. She has a couple of these. These came from the Dollar Tree as well. Practicing using a fork with her, so she can never get enough. So she has some metal ones, but I just got this plastic one to throw in her little basket. Then also from the Dollar Tree, I ended up getting these little Paw Patrol honey graham cookies. They're like little graham crackers, a pack of 4, because like kids can't really eat like too much stuff that comes with the Valentine's baskets and stuff, so she can definitely eat those. So then I got her this little Valentine's Baby Shark book. I got this one from Target. She loves baby sharks, so I thought that'd be cute. Then I got her these good bath bombs, or Dr. Teal's. They are scented, but you know, it's lavender to help them get sleepy. But I think these are a little better than the Crayola one. That's why I only got one of these, because it is a pretty pink color and it's a heart for Valentine's Day. But I prefer these bath bombs for her, so I'm going to put those in her basket. Next from Target, I got her some little scrunchy ponytail holders. These do good when her hair is just like in pigtails or ponytail. They don't like tangle up in her hair and pull her hair out. And they don't get super tight, which I like for her. Now, if it was for me, I don't like these for my hair, but for her hair, because they don't get super tight, I got these from Target. Next from Target, I got her this little loofah. It's like an ice cream cone. My nails, I know, they're ugly right now. I need to get them painted, but the nail salon, they were busy the other day. Then you have to make an appointment before you go. It's just COVID, too much stuff. So, yeah. Anyways, I got her this bath bomb. The top is a loofah. The bottom part is a sponge. And, yeah, I thought that was really cute. And then just some more little snacks for her to eat. So, these are marshmallow fries. These came from Target as well. I thought that was cute. She can eat these because they're soft. And then also for her little candy in her basket, some cherry cotton candy. This cotton candy came from Target as well. And then some little Valentine's cards because she likes trolls. Honestly, her dad got these at Walmart. I don't know if she wouldn't put them down or something, but her dad ended up getting her these at Walmart. So I'm just going to kind of decorate her basket with these as well. So yes, this is everything that I got. Once again, everything is mainly from Target and the Dollar Tree. These are from Walmart. Yeah, so Dollar Tree has some good stuff. Also, if you have a 99-cent store, because this is little stuff, honestly, that she's just going to mess up. So I got her a lot of bath stuff because yeah, she likes being in the water, so I always let her take bubble baths and she looks forward to her bubble bath. So I got her some things to enjoy that. These are a little relaxing for her. She can use her new loofah. So then get a bedtime story. So yeah, I'm gonna put it all together and then let you guys kind of see what it looks like. Finished basket. I did put some of the loofah or the bath bombs, the Dr. Teal's bath bombs. I put them under here to kind of lift some of the stuff up. I don't really care about it just being perfect, but if you want, you can tape some of the stuff together so it'll sit up more, or however you want. But I kind of just stacked it on top of the other stuff. I put some bubbles right here, and stacked it up. A lot of the bath bombs are down there. There's a bath bomb, if you can see it, right there, holding up this blue one. But yeah, this is how I did it. I'm gonna cut this tag off of here, where you can just tuck like that. But this is how it came out. Also, the Dollar Tree does have these little balloon things that you can put in there. So I'm gonna go get her a balloon once it gets closer to Valentine's Day, so they aren't flat by then but are deflated. So anyways, yeah, and I put the little forks back here. And then yeah, that's how it came out. The scrunchies, I turned them upside down so they're still on the package. I just tucked it. So yeah,